Hi, we are working today on solving equations with unknown values. In this case, the question says, single admission at Wild World Amusement Park costs $21. If the park sells N single admissions in one day, the income is 21 times the number of people. So first we think about, if I have these three variables and coefficients, I can do 21n equals the income. So $21 times the number of people going to Wild World equals income. Okay, so that's our first equation. Now, A1 says, write an equation to answer this question. Okay, how many single admissions were sold on a day the park had income of $9,450. Okay, so now we know what I equals. All right, so first I want you to think about how could I rearrange this equation? Now I have a known number for the variable I. How can I use this coefficient and this variable and rearrange them using fact families? So talk amongst yourselves and see what you come up with. Okay, so we know with fact families that we can rearrange equations using a different operation. So here we have 21 times n. There's no times here, but we could put one in because we know it's really there. We're just trying to simplify it. So if we know this factor times that factor equals this number, we also know that this number divided by one of the factors will give us the other factor. So let's try rearranging that. So we could say, all right, we're trying to isolate for n. We really want to know what n equals. So I'm going to put n on this side of the equation. I'm going to put the equal sign here. And then I'm going to say I need to use the large number and now use division by my other known number. Now I can actually solve for n because I've isolated n and I'm using the other two numbers that I was given. Now the last one says solve the equation. Explain how you found your answer. Then it says how can you check your answer. So how can we use what we got for n to then check that we got the right answer? Maybe using our first equation. So go ahead and try that. All right, so the number we get for n, if we plug that in, we've been talking about substituting numbers in for our variables. So n, whatever you got for n, times 21, our original equation, should then give you 9,450. So if you didn't get a chance to try that out, whatever number you got for n, plug it in and then multiply it and make sure you got the original number. And that is 4.4a. Now you will go on to do B and C on your own. Thanks.